Churn is rising, acquisition costs are climbing, and the board wants answers fast. Who are the customers driving the most value, and how do we keep them happy? Usually, that means exporting messy data, endless Excel tabs, and days running models that may or may not fit. By the time the results are ready, the moment's already passed. What if this time you have help? Meet the CLV Agent. It automates the full Bayesian workflow for customer lifetime value. From data exploration to cleaning to model fitting and evaluation, it handles the heavy lifting fast. It even explains each step and shows the code behind it, so you always know what's happening. In just minutes, you'll get actionable insights. Who's most valuable, who's slipping away, and where to invest next to maximize growth. Built by PyMC Labs, tested by experts, designed for marketers and product leaders who can't afford to wait. The alpha version of our CLV agent is now live. Want early access? Get in touch with PyMC Labs today.